You see, you could have a degree in anthropology this morning and I wouldn't be impressed, because to get that degree, you would have had to believe the lie of evolution. I said it that way on purpose. From goo to you by way of the zoo, a ray of light to a tadpole. Tadpole washed up on the beach, something scared it. It took a quantum leap, grew legs. Took another quantum leap, became a possum. Something got after the possum, it ran up a tree. Took another quantum leap, became a monkey. Was swinging from tree to tree, missed a limb, fell, broke its tail off, stood upright and became a man. And I'm telling you, if we could just get you on fire for God with that kind of faith, you could like raise the dead. It's a whole lot easier for me to believe what I believe. I don't have to worry about gaps in the fossils, and I don't have to worry about the Piltdown man and somebody putting together a bunch of chicken bones and trying to deceive people. And not only that, I know he's real because he lives in me. Nobody could have done what he did for me if they wasn't alive. Nobody could have broke the chains he broke in me if he wasn't real. That name is above every name. I'm talking about a name like no other. I'm talking about a name that when you whisper that name, everything stands to attention. The universe stands to attention. The stars twinkle and shout his name. Hallelujah. My Lord. I'm just warming up, so if this is getting you nervous, we might have to install some seat belts.